welcome to another video. My friend Zion. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately. Me and Cole did a little thing where we weren't friends anymore, so we can't do plushie videos. Now me and Zion are doing a plushie video, but it might not come out for a while. Right, Zion? So we just do vlogs from now. And Zion's getting used to doing videos, but yeah, but he doesn't really get plushies anymore. Yeah, that's why. And it's very windy out. And you guys out not. Yeah. There it goes. Guys, I got my blood work done. So I'm still a little loopy from that. But he's Shannon, he doesn't get any. And he probably won't in his lifetime. Right, Zion? He doesn't take medicine like me, like I do. No, where do you want to go, Zion? Alright. Yeah. Luckily I'm fat. Luckily I'm chunky.
Oh, what's up, Jaden? I know you cold. Just walking around.
Stuff that he's not supposed to.
What the hell was that? Let's leave him alone. Let him do a job.
Yeah.
Ooh, man. So nice. So good. Yeah. Yep. Huh? What, Devin? What? Oh, far out. Okay. Ooh, go there. I guess. Huh? I guess. I mean, you're in the rain, so like. Devin, don't fall in the puddles. Hey, Devin, if you trust me good enough, if I get a GoPro helmet, I can use it.
Yeah.
You want to go skateboarding? Or one day you can come with me. You have to come with me.
One day you go for it.
I know.
Maybe if I get a new one, I'll do that one.
Sure. Now, for my mom, not, I repeat, not touch this. When I say not, I mean off limits. This is a zoo. This is a factory. This is a museum. Do not touch anything.
Yeah.
And even if she does it, no, even if she don't listen to me, I'm hiding it. I'm hiding it for my dear life. Every time I have it, I'm hiding. It's like, what I know good spots to put this at. And it's small, and it's black, yeah. My best spots. My cars that come all the top of my shelf. You don't really know. Cause how dark it is. There's no light in there. But yeah, hopefully when you do get on the better GoPro, I'll definitely take care of this one. The hell? It's in One Piece.
I remember.
Yeah, you won't go down the past Planet Tower?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I
far.
don't do that.
6 minutes so far.
I don't do that. Because the camera.
What?
So you show the camera and touch it. Yeah, like that. I just said no.
I can do that. Case. How did you put it on the tripod? I didn't know how to put it on.
Really? Oh, you just use that, unscrew it, and screw it back on.
Oh.
Yep, it's very easy. I don't know why it was so.
What? Huh?
I was supposed to snow today.
Yeah. What we get from the snow? What was a half day?
When you didn't go to school.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
That's why you didn't go to school?
Nope.
What time did you get out?
Around 11.
Oh, that's why you didn't go to school.
Yeah.
I thought you said you had no school.
Huh?
You said you had no school yesterday.
I don't know. It changed. The thing changed. It wasn't gonna snow. It was just gonna rain. We had a half day.
No, it's been a half day.
Well, my grandma told me at first. Like that today, she went to the official website and told me that we had no school. Then it was a half day. We had school, but she texted me that. Then she texted me we have school, but it's a half day. I'm like, okay. Look at that. The rain washed my shoes. My feet are not even soaked.
Mine are very soaked.
That's right into the water. Huh?
When you go not to where we had to stay on the side of the road.
What, Devin?
It's really rain isn't salt water.
Oh, let's see how flooded the thing is. Yo, Devin, it's flooded. Yeah, yo, how flooded it is. We should go there one day. Vlog it. Maybe when I do get money and go to Walmart, I'm definitely getting a GoPro helmet so I can ask the huh? That's expensive. I had one. Those for bikes. I want like a GoPro one that a normal helmet that has a GoPro thing on it. Yeah. But
no, get one that doesn't. They have the stuff to put one on.
talking about, like, I want a normal helmet that has the GoPro attacher on there.
No, how do you attachment?
No,
By a regular
I'm talking about a helmet. I'm talking about a helmet. That you know what I'm talking about, right? It has this part on the helmet.
Yes, I have the parts for it. I have a sticking part that you put on the helmet, and then you put this part on it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm getting.
Yeah, but
Devin, I was talking the whole time.
don't take the helmet that has it on there already. That's more expensive. Their normal helmet is
If I can afford it, at least wait. Yeah, I thought I just saw ice. Ugh.
The cat I live here would be pissed off that it rains.
Huh?
That cat would be pissed off that it rains.
I don't know. That cat got me hiding somewhere. No, his cat can stand his rain. No way. Jinx.
Yeah.
You owe me a fucking call back.
I don't even know.
You didn't say Jinx.
Yeah. You have one. You have a husky. You have it.
Oh yeah.
I don't have any.
My pants are almost getting soaked. Pants are thin. These are like thin pants. It is.
Oh yeah, and here's the red bone.
How much minutes is time left? 11 minutes. Look at that. 11 minutes so far. You actually post this stuff on YouTube? You sure? Huh. I don't care. If this ever fell in the ocean, I'll literally dive in and get it. I don't care. I'm getting in that water and getting it. So let's go under that slide. Devin, wind and rain. Do you see it with the way? Do you see where the direction's going right now? We're under that slide. Look, see? That's what I'm talking about. It feels like pushing you a little bit. Dang. Oh no, I got too much shoes. This sucks. Now we have to go under there. The slide. Under. Yeah. Devin, this is for YouTube. Devin, this is for YouTube. You can't allow that. Well, still. My feet are not even wet. Let's go under so I can find my shoes. You guys want to see what underwater looks like? Here, okay, let's go. Oh my god, underwater. Yeah. Here. Hold this one.
Hey guys. It's weird. Oh, so crazy. 13 minutes. Yeah. 13.
Okay.
14. Let me see the battery. No, let me see the battery. Battery full. Here we go. Oh.
We don't want to go down. It was right there. Oh, my pants are soaked. They're soaked.
What is?
My pants. Lucky I have chosen these. My feet are not even wet at all. That ice? Look. That's ice. It's like, almost like, I forgot what it's called again.
Slush.
No, it's Devin. It's not hail, it's,
Oh god, this is like
it's like ice and like still